In this video, I'll be showing you how to redeem a Roblox gift card. Start by heading to the Roblox website and sign in. Be sure to check that you're on the official Roblox website. Click on the Robux icon in the top corner, then select Redeem Roblox Codes. Alternatively, you can go straight to this page by heading to roblox.com/redeem. Select the code box, then enter in your gift card code. You can find this on the back of your card. Check the box to confirm you're older than 18, then click the Redeem button. You may get a free virtual item with the card. Just close the window or equip it to your avatar if you like. You can now use your funds to purchase Robux if you like. To buy Robux, click on the Robux icon again and select Buy Robux. Select the appropriate Robux package for the code you just added. Choose the Roblox credit option as your payment method. At the bottom, you will see your Roblox credit and the amount you need to pay, followed by the remaining balance. Click Submit Order. Your order will now go through. You may need to wait a few minutes for the Robux to show up. Refresh the page after waiting and the Robux should show up. If it doesn't, then click on the Robux icon and select Transactions. Your Robux should now show up. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.